Hi guys, this is my first project on the GitHub. This is a file manager. It is really simple file manager I created with node.js, and I decided to make a video, a short video about it, and introduce what it is and what can it done for you. It is a really simple file manager I created with Node.js and HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I used Node.js for backend and others for frontend. This project made with express.js and some other few packages for uploading files. It has a simple introduction here. It can be used as a file sharing system also, and as I already said, it can handle uploading big files. So here a demo of the project. This is the finished project. It has some tabs for file categories like files, fonts, HTML, image, PDF, video, and you can change these titles when you clone the project. For uploading files, choose a tab and press the choose file button and upload a file and choose the file and press the upload button. Then the progress bar will be show you the progression of uploading, and after that a simple dialog comes to the screen and tell you the uploading finished. So after a simple refreshing on the page with Ajax, you can see the new files here with name, size, and the address. The files will be saved here under user files and the specific folder. And if you upload an image, it will show a preview of the image file under the list, and this bar will be not displayed for image purpose, and you can see the tile view of image or the details. Okay, this is the project. You can download it from GitHub, and the links are in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel if you like this video and it has something for you. And also I will change some parts and improve some codes and behaviors later, and push them onto the repository. Also follow us on Instagram for getting all news. Thanks for watching.